Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to show toolbar on TradingView charts, and now let's dive right in. To show your toolbar on your TradingView chart, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface where there is the chart button at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the watch list over here. Tap on the chart button just beside the watch list and you land over here. Now, in order to view your toolbar or to show your toolbar, tap on the pen icon over here where it says currently the fixed range volume profile for me. Tap on the pen icon and you can see, guys, I'm on the favorite section over here. If you are somewhere else rather than the favorite section, then come back to the favorite section, and when you tap on the favorite section, you can see the show favorites on chart button available for us. Now currently it is hidden. Now let's tap on the toggle icon and it will be shown to you like this. Now you can see this bar over here. This is my favorites bar, and with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to show your favorites toolbar on your TradingView. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.